In today's video, I am going to teach you how to shut down your laptop using keyboard shortcuts. This is a quick, reliable way to power down without searching through menus. It is especially useful when your mouse is not working well, or when you simply want a faster routine. To begin, you will press a keyboard shortcut that opens a special power menu. On most Windows laptops, you do this by holding the Windows key and pressing X at the same time. The Windows key is the one with the Windows logo on it, usually found near the bottom row of the keyboard. When you press Windows plus X, you should see a menu appear on the screen, typically in the lower left area of the display. Take a moment to look at what appears, because this menu includes several options, including shutdown. Now that the menu is visible, you can spot the shutdown option. In the menu that appears, you will see something that lets you shut down the computer. Depending on your Windows version, the exact wording may vary slightly, but it will clearly be associated with shutting the device down. You can choose that option from the menu. This step is the basic approach, and it works right away once the menu is open. Next, there is an even faster shortcut you can use while the power menu is still on screen. With the Windows plus X menu open, you can press a letter key to select a related action. In this case, you can press the U key. The U key is used for power options, and pressing it after the menu is opened is designed to get you to shut down more quickly than moving your hands to the mouse or clicking through items. So again, wait until the menu is visible, then press U. When you press U, pay attention to what happens next on screen. The system should move you into the shutdown process. In many cases, it may show you the shutdown command directly, and then you can confirm it. If there is a confirmation prompt, you should proceed with the option that shuts the laptop down fully. This is an important detail, because shutdown should close everything properly rather than just putting the device to sleep. At this point, you have reached the part where the laptop will shut down. The shutdown process can take a few seconds, so you do not need to press anything else unless the system asks you to confirm. Let the computer complete the process. You might see the screen go dark, or you might see a brief progress indicator before the laptop powers off. It is best to be patient here, because interrupting shutdown can cause the system to behave unexpectedly. You may notice that there are multiple ways to get to shutdown from this menu, which is why it is useful to know the faster keyboard path. The main idea is that Windows plus X opens the menu, then U selects the shutdown-related action. This combination saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, especially if you are trying to shut down quickly between tasks. Now, as you finish this process, make sure the laptop fully powers off before closing the lid or disconnecting power. That final moment helps ensure that all apps and system services have time to close properly. If the laptop is shutting down correctly, you will usually see the power indicator change and the fan stop, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.